guys, my name is Rishika Singh and I'm 15 years old girl and I live in Surajpur, Greater Noida. So I hope today I have a 5 way to learn English easily. You can speak English, you can learn English easily. So first of all, and if you wanted to speak English in your past, so now you can learn English, you can speak English, but you will have to watch my videos. You can see my videos, you can watch my videos, every videos. I think this video is second video of my English. So today I have 5 way and I will tell you about English, how did I learn English very easily. So very things very common English way. So first of all, guys, if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your English, so you will have to more practice your English. You can speak in front of yourself, you can speak in front of mirror, you can speak anything, doesn't matter. You can speak and you can improve your English with talk your friends, with talking with your mother and any family members. You can talk with anyone. So first of all, guys, today I'm talking about English, how did I learn English. So I give you 5 way, I will give you 5 way. So first is watching. So and if you want to improve your English, so you will have to watch English videos like that older movies. So when I was learning English in my past, so I was watching a lot English videos from YouTube and anything with subtitle, and I can learn easily anything about from English video watch. So first is watching English videos and second is reading book. Every day you will have to reading book, one page every day, one paragraph you will have to read in your in your whole life. So and I think you can buy any book without any shop. You can buy any book from who shops nearby your near your house. You can buy any English book and you can read easily and you can learn English easily to read that. So second is speaking, and speaking is a very most important way to learn English, and the more you speaking the more you learn. This is very important way to learn English easily. And guys, if you want to improve your English, if you want to speak English in front of people, so you will have to speak in front of yourself. Doesn't matter what are you thinking in your mind, doesn't matter what are you speaking in your self, just you will have to speak. And third is I think first, second, third is completed. I think this is the fourth. So fourth is writing. Writing is a very important role to learn English. So if you want to improve your English, so you will have to write one page day by day, and I think you will improve yourself day by day. Just you will focus on your English and you will have to practice a lot, and you will have to different types of sentence. You can make any types of sentence like that, a lots of sentence. Nothing is, I think nothing is better than something and something is better than nothing. I think this is a very, and it's very difficult to say. You can learn anything day by day, and I hope you can't learn a lots of vocabulary. I think you can learn say like this daily purpose vocabularies, and I think what's your intention in your life, and if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, so you can forget everything. Just you need to focus on your one thing, and that is a learn English. So guys, and fifth is a very important, and this is a listening to English. You can listening anything about it, listening music, listening watching English movies, and you can listening anything. Just you, if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your English, so you listen anything in English. You can listening English music, and you can singing with lyrics. So if you want to speak English in front of people, I think it is a very difficult to say, but this is very important thing to learn English. And guys, this is my 5 way I learn English. I learn it English, and I everyday practice in front of myself, in front of camera, in front of mirror. I learn it English easily. So guys, this is my 5 topic. I told you, I think you can do hard work in your life, and nothing is better than something. This is a very good, not something is better than nothing. I think this is very good, perfect part in your life. And guys, you can speak anything when you when will you speak English, doesn't matter. And just what you are speak wrong, and doesn't matter what will you wrong speak, doesn't matter. Just you keep calm and close your eyes and just start speak English in front of yourself. This is a very good and this is very simple way to learn English. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and like my videos, please guys. This is my second videos of my English. Thank you so much. And listen to me carefully. Thank you guys so much. And please subscribe my channel because I want to need your help, and I want to learn English. Now I am learning English in front of yourself because this is my practice way English. And guys, I hope you are doing well, and this is very critical time, I think, and this is a very most important time to learn English because any student not going to school, because this is very free time to learn English. I think English is very important, and this is an international language and it's need of today. That's why everybody should speak English.